you're building a new piece of hardware, a computer, a smart speaker, any connected device, you're facing a global maze of safety rules. The main one you need to know is IEC 62361. But this isn't just another regulatory checkbox. It's a fundamental redesign of how we think about product safety. Previous standards were like a rigid recipe book, full of prescriptive rules for known problems. This new approach is called hazard-based safety engineering. It forces you to identify every potential energy source inside your device, electrical, thermal, chemical, even mechanical, and classify its risk level. You then design safeguards proportional to that risk, considering who will use the product, an ordinary consumer or a trained technician. Safety is no longer a final hurdle. It's built into the DNA of the product from the first sketch. So, how do you get this certified for global markets? The most efficient path is the Certification Body Scheme, or CB scheme. It can get your product recognized in over 50 countries, including the US, Europe, and Japan, with one set of tests. But it's not a golden ticket. Some national regulators treat the CB report as just a reference, still demanding their own local testing. This makes your choice of testing lab and their relationships in your target markets absolutely critical for avoiding costly delays. And just as the industry adapted, the standard evolved again. The fourth edition is now rolling out, with North America's adoption happening this July. Its most significant change removes a critical allowance for legacy parts. You can no longer use components certified under the old standards. Now, every single critical component, from the power supply to internal transformers, must have full, up-to-date IEC 62361 certification. This creates immediate supply chain challenges, forcing a deep review of every part you source. This turns compliance from a simple check at the end of the line into a core strategic pillar of product development. Getting it right means safer products, faster certification, and broader access to global markets. At Kite Compliance, we understand how overwhelming physical product compliance can feel. That's why we're building tools to make the process clear, simple, and faster.